plus root of, put a star mark on this question, 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus and so on. X equivalent to 3 root 13 minus 1 by 2 root 13 plus 1 by 2 root 13. X equivalent to root of 4 plus root of 4 minus root of 4 plus root of 4 minus, like that. X equivalent. Right? Now first of all, suppose, see here, root 7 value is there. We want to find the approximate value of root 7. Root 7 lies between which two perfect squares? Root 4 and root 9. It is 2 plus 7 and 4, what is the difference? 3. 9 and 4, what is the difference? 5. Approximately it is 2.6. Suppose if it is root 13, root 13 lies between root 9 and root 16. Root 9 is 3 plus 13 9, what is the difference? 4. 16 9, what is the difference? 7. 3.550. So approximately. First write down that. These are Trachtenberg's method of finding the approximate value of a non-perfect square. There is another method which I kept it in YouTube. You can see that one. Root 7 lies between root 4 and root 9. Root 4 is 2. 7 and 4 difference is 3. 9 and 4 difference is 5. Just to tell you how to find out root 7, root 13 values. Now, how to solve it? Very intelligently we will solve this question. See here. This value is 3.5, 3.6 something, truncating into 3.6 approximately. This is 3.6. This is 3.6 minus 1 by 2. It is 2.6 by 2, 1.3. This is 3.6 plus 1 by 2, 4.6 by 2, 2.3. Let us solve it logically. You take a duster. If this is not there, what is the value? 2. But it is 2 plus something. If I close all this, what is the value? 2. But it is 2 plus something. 2 plus something means greater than 2. Greater than 2. Greater than 2. Not possible. Go next step. What is root 4? 2. What is 2 plus 4? 6. 6. But it is. What it is? Minus. That means this entire value will be less than 2. Less than 2 plus 4. What is less than 2 plus 4? Less than 6. Answer should be greater than 2 and less than root 6. Are you all with me? Root 6 just you calculate like this. 24 whole square is, what is 24 whole square? 5.576. 25 whole square is 6.625. We require 6. I am putting into 600. That means it will be close to some 2.48 or 2.47. You understood what I did? 25 whole square is 625. I divided by 100. What it is value? 6.25. That means it is by 10. What is 25 by 10? 2.5. 2.5 whole square is 6.25. 2.4 whole square is 5.6. Answer lies between 2.4 to 2.5. Play with the answer. Clear? Right? So answer should be which value? It is greater than 2 and less than 2.48. Which option is there? C. Please write.